Hello friends, this is Murtuza here, and in this video I will be showing you the first step that you must focus on when you are starting your online business. And the most important step that you should be doing while you are starting your online business every single day is building a list of subscribers and developing a strong relationship with your list. So this is the first step that you must do every single day, okay, to grow your online business. And in this video I'll be showing you the first component, the first what you can say is the first component you have to build your list of subscribers. And this component is called a free bait. Free bait is something that you give something for free to your website visitors, and in return they will be giving you their name and email address. They will subscribe to your list, and it is extremely important that you build this free component, okay, before you get started, because this will actually help you out in getting started, to build your list of subscribers. So what are the things that you can give away for free to your subscribers list? So I'll give you a few ideas that you can create quickly within next few hours, and you can get started building a list of subscribers. So the free beats that you can give away to your subscribers is first a free report. Okay, a free report is a simple, approximately 10 to 15 page report that contains valuable information in your niche. Okay, that helps to solve problems of your subscribers. Okay, basically, and create a 10 to 15 page report, and it is simple. All you need to do is just type in approximately 5 to 10 articles on a specific topic in your niche, and give it away for free to your subscribers. And the second thing you can give away is an audio product. Okay, and the best and the most easiest way is to create an audio product, because it will take you hardly 1 or 2 hours, to create this kind of audio product, and you can give it away for free in your squeeze page. The third important component that you can give away to your subscribers is a video. Okay, so what you can do is you can create a video the same way that I'm doing right now, and you can give it away to your subscribers. And the fourth thing which you can do is you can create a free membership website. Okay, and in this membership website you can just go about putting up a free content in your niche, and you know all you can do is load all your content and video and report out there and give free access to your membership site, to your list of subscribers. These are the kind of components that you can give away to your subscribers list. And so it's simple to create them. The best component for me to create is an audio and video based product that can actually get me started really fast. Okay, because all it takes me is approximately 15 to 30 minutes of recording, and I can immediately give away an audio or a video product for free on my squeeze page. So if you are comfortable doing an audio and video product, that's great. Okay, get started with that. And before you start creating these components, all you need to do is create a simple outline, okay, of the exact steps you will be explaining in your content, probably a free report or a audio or video. When you have the points ready in front of you, all you need to do is just start writing, or start recording, and you'll have your content absolutely ready. So get started creating your free bait. And with this I will end up this video. And to get such valuable tips and trainings, make sure you visit my website at howistartinternetbusiness.com/plan. Okay, I'll repeat the spelling. It's www.how I start start internet internet business business.com/plan plan. Visit this website and make sure you subscribe out there, and I will be giving you a free report, set of videos, as well as a process map that will explain you step by step how you can go about starting your online business, and it will show you how I personally created a website that ended up making me approximately $30,000. It got me 24,000 visitors as well as 6,000 leads. Okay, out of doing a simple from a simple 23 step system. I'll explain you the system, and I will teach you how to do this absolutely free. Okay, so make sure you visit my website and subscribe out there, and wish you all the very best and success.